Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week, we're going to do chicken and steak fajitas on the Tribal Fire Grill. Stick around. Okay everybody, so we're going to go ahead and start. And before we start, I want to introduce Miss Rylee here, the steak princess. She's cooking with us today. We're excited about it. She's going to help us out on the Tribal Fire. So we're just going to go ahead and put our beef and our chicken on. So I'm assuming you cooked on one of these, Rylee?
Yes, sir. I've done a few steaks on them.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun to cook on. What's nice about it is you can get a bunch of people cooking on it. Cook a bunch of different things at one time.
Yeah, a bunch of different types of meat, vegetables, anything.
Like peppers and onions we're going to throw on here, and probably some mushrooms. And we'll season it up with a little bit of some Southwest rub, I'll say. We're going to give it a shot today. So stick with us. So Rylee, what's your favorite thing to cook on the grill, other than steak?
Probably rack of lamb.
Rack of lamb?
Yes, sir.
Well, we've only ever done, I think we've done one video on rack of lamb. Turned out really good.
You cook it just right, it's always really good.
Now, do you use any like, I think there's mint sauce or something you can use on it, or what do they use on lamb to top it?
Mom makes some mint jelly. I've never tried it though. My cousin really likes it.
Mint jelly. I don't think when we did ours, we didn't do any kind of like jelly for on top of it or anything. It was really one of the first time we had ever cooked lamb, besides doing like lamb chops. But it turned out really good. We enjoyed it. It's different. It's good around either Easter or Christmas. So.
Yes, sir.
So when's your next big comp?
I know we have one next weekend in Decatur, Alabama, but I don't know when our next big one is.
I think our next one is the barbecue competition, the steak cook-off down in Griffin in a few weeks. So we'll be there with y'all.
Oh yeah, I'm excited for that one. That'll be fun.
Yeah, we'll have a good time. Close. So Rylee,
Yes,
you got a couple products out. Why don't you tell everybody what they are and where they can get them at?
So I have a beef rub that's called Beauty and the Beef Rub, and then a sweet rub that's called Rylee's Sweet Rapture. And you can get them off my website at steakprincessbarbecue.com. There's also many other stores and websites you can get them off of, but the main one is our website. But right now you can get them for other websites. You can get it at cottonginsmokers.com. Trying to think, Bama Barbecue Supply, St. Louis Barbecue Store. There's a few other places I just can't think of right offhand, but there's a bunch of places that carry it. So.
And where else can they find you at on socials?
Instagram, you can find me at steak_princess, TikTok, Steak Princess Barbecue, Facebook, Steak Princess Barbecue, and my YouTube channel is also Steak Princess Barbecue.
Yeah, you guys need to go check her out, and her products are wonderful. We use them all the time. You'll see me using them a lot in all of our videos, so check her out on YouTube, especially Instagram, Facebook. Okay, we're going to whip up a couple of these fajitas here. Set them down in our little holders. I'm going back to the chicken. Is that all you want? You don't want no peppers?
No, sir. I'm good.
You want some of this on there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're gonna give these a try. She already did.
That's pretty good.
The sauce on top makes it. That
That
sour
sauce
cream.
is good.
Yeah. Yeah, turned out perfect. Everything turned out well. Vegetables are good. Chicken and the beef were well seasoned with your rubs. So we appreciate you guys following us. Keep following us on Facebook, Instagram. You can go to YouTube and watch our videos. Subscribe. You want to tell them again where they can find you at?
You can find me on Instagram at steak_princess, and then on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, you can find me all on Steak Princess Barbecue.
Okay. Get some. She's like, sure. Good? Mm-hmm. Get some.
Get some.